That is your lovely chicken pasta on a pizza dough.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now the menu for you guys today at home, I'm gonna be making pasta on a pizza dough. So it's gonna be a pizza pasta kind of thing, collab going on. Yeah, I don't know exactly what to call it, but I'll figure it out. And you guys also can drop comments below as well, see if you can got any better names for it. But anyway, before we get going, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button. Click on that red button that says subscribe. Do that for me right now. I'll wait for you. 2 seconds. 1, 2. Done. Okay, moving on. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. And now we can begin the show, shall we? To begin with, you turn that on. You put the pasta on in a little pan. You get some water. Fill it up. Bob's your uncle. While that is doing its thing, what you want to do is dice up your chicken breast. Okay, this time I have sharpened up my knife, so we should be good. But what you want to do is get rid of all of that stuff. Alright, I mean, I'm making a small portion, so everything's going to be small, right? Yeah, you want to really, what time is it? Okay. You want to cut your chicken into really small pieces, right? Like little dices, literally. The smaller that you got, the better it is, especially now that I've got, you know, a small portion that I'm going to be making. So yeah, there you have it. Get this bad boy on there. That's a bit of oil. Bada bing, bada boom. Bob's your uncle. Get the meat, pour it in. The chicken, rather. What am I saying? Get the chicken in there. Done. Move it over. Right now, everything's gonna be plain, okay? Right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our chicken is cooked up. I'm just gonna turn that off. I'm gonna turn this off as well. We just gotta drain it, right? So, what you want to do now is quite simply marinate this. What do you want to do? Pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. You got paprika. Yeah, salt. You got a bit of turmeric. Okay. This gold, Persian gold. Oh no, what's happened? I'm just gonna. See a big chunk going there. I'm going to call it that. That's enough. What you want to do is mix all of that up. Okay. I took out some of the oil from this pan because it was getting too much. So I'll pour it back in. Now to marinate this, just a pinch of olive oil so it doesn't really stick together. Again, a pinch of salt. Okay. You got ketchup. Okay. Then you got mayo. Oh boy. This is coming to an end. Yeah. the new one. There you go. Okay. You want to add some mixed herbs as well. Okay. Bob's your uncle. Now, grab it. We'll mix it all up. Guys, the smell is amazing. Okay. Let this all sit there nicely. Beautiful, eh? How about that, eh? Let that sit there. You get that. Oh boy. Use your clean, lovely hands to open up the dough. It's actually not that big, so it's good. I was worried about that. This is looking okay, looking promising, lovely. That's actually a good size, yeah, happy days. Fold that over so you guys can see. Now, all you want to do is get the oven on preheat at 180, sorry. Yeah, get that going. Can't lift it up. So here's what you need to do. I'm going to get that and pour it in. Okay. Tap it all down. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right. Now, time for our chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, as always, it's not gonna be enough. Should have one more. If there was one more chicken breast, that would have been good. Like, fill it up, you know. There's that. I've got some lovely cheese going on here. You want to fill it up. Like, don't be shy with the cheese. Yeah. Just put some here. I know it's going to go all over the place, so got to dig in with the hands. Yeah, fill it all up on the sides and that. There we are, looking beautiful, looking absolutely beautiful. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to top it off, you got some mozzarella cheese. Okay, this is going to give it that proper stretchy cheese. You know when you pull off the pizza and string cut, like the cheese stretches out and all of that? Yeah, well, this is going to be that. Put one in the middle there, a little bit more, and one more there. Right, now you're going to put this bad boy in the oven, give it 15 minutes and have a little check up on it. See how we do. Boom, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. How nice does that look? Okay, is that crispy? Should we, Yep. Yep. Lovely, lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, this looks This looks yummy. Cheesy. Okay. There you go. What I'm going to do is just for presentation, add a pinch of paprika on there. It'll give it a nice colour. Okay. There you are. Boom. That is your lovely chicken pasta on a pizza dough. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come